And here's how to stream your Netflix on Discord without having black screen or audio issue. Follow the step-by-step guide. First of all, you have to open your Discord app and then go to user settings, and here scroll down and voice and video, and scroll down. Here you will find hardware acceleration option. So make sure to disable hardware acceleration for Discord app. And now, if you're watching Netflix in your Google Chrome browser, then you have to disable graphics acceleration for Chrome browser. So go to your Chrome browser and click on this three dot and click on settings. And in this left hand menu, you have to click on system settings. Under system settings, here you will find use graphics acceleration when available. So you have to disable this option and then relaunch your Google Chrome browser. And if you are watching Netflix in your Firefox browser, then go to your Firefox browser and click on this menu icon and open your Firefox browser settings page. In this find settings, type here hardware, and now you have to uncheck hardware acceleration to disable your Firefox browser hardware acceleration, and then go ahead and open your Netflix. And now go ahead and open the server in which server you want to stream your Netflix. Now all you have to need, join a voice channel, and now click on this share your screen icon, and here select applications. Under applications, here you will find the browser tab, in which tab you are watching your Netflix. So select the tab, and here make sure to enable also share application audio to stream Netflix with audio. And now you can change your Netflix video resolution from here. You can change frame rate also. Now all you have to need, click on go live, and now make sure to open the Netflix tab and don't minimize the tab. Just open the Discord just like so, and here we can see I've successfully started to stream my Netflix on my Discord. Thanks for watching.